Okay, so we just showed that part a moment ago. So we're going to do just as basic 3-axis machining. So let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and it's basically in the orientation that we want to machine from. Okay, so we're going to leave that there. We'll do a stock box stop. We're going to copy right to the shape of the part. Okay, and we're also going to do, we don't need to align since our stock is the exact size of the part, so we don't need to do that. So let's go ahead and do some, may want to put a work 0. Let's go ahead, we can set that to the stock box, and may want to do it at the lowest Z, say in the southwest corner. Generate that, so now we have a work 0. And now we're just going to do some 3-axis horizontal roughing. So we're not going to select anything. Well, actually, let's do one other thing. Let's go ahead and create some regions that may help us go a little bit faster. So I want to create some regions just on these flat areas. So let's check the filter. Currently, we'll leave that off for now, and we'll just do a flat area region. Okay, so I got 2 regions there that I can use. And then also we'll do, let's create another set, and then we'll do another flat area region at the top. Okay, so now we got these regions that we can work with. We don't have to go select in geometry. So let's go back up here. We'll go ahead and do some 3-axis horizontal roughing. For the regions, we'll select our predefined regions that we created. Let's see what we got to work with. So we want to constrain the roughing just to pocket right here. So that's good. We'll leave it there. Tool, flat end mill, and we'll just save that as a new tool. Speeds, clearance, cut parameters. That's fine. Everything looks fine. Cut levels. All that looks good. You may want to do a clear flat so that you get that material out flat on the bottom. And I think that tool is going to be too big, so let's make another tool. Flat area, flat end mill. Let's go to 5 1/4-inch diameter. Okay. Change the name. Save that as a new tool. Exit. So we're gonna use the flat end mill. Do some advanced. We don't need to do anything. Let's just generate that. So let's look at. We did some roughing inside, so let's simulate that real quick. Okay, so we got some roughing. Let's change the colors a little bit. I like it so my eyes can see it real good. Okay, so this is the stock color and this is the cut material color. Okay, so let's go ahead and can do some pocketing. Let's do 2-axis pocketing. Probably going to want to use these 2 regions here. Okay, the tool, I think we're going to need a smaller tool. So we're going to do a 1/8 inch tool. Okay, save that as a new tool. Okay, so we're going to use that and cut levels. The geometry now is at the bottom. If you recall, we selected the regions that were at the bottom of the pocket. So we're going to pick at bottom, and we're just going to cut 1 level. So we'll leave everything set to 0. Okay, and pocketing inch and exit.
No, I think it was at top. The geometry was at top. Remember, you picked it at the top.
No, it's at the bottom.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No problem. So that cut levels at bottom. I think let's just generate that. Look at it. So you see we got a pocket there at the bottom. Let's go ahead. Let's double check this. Okay, I wanted a 0 stock. Tighten that up.